How do electric vehicles work? EV charger, battery, motor, all explained. Electric vehicles represent a transformative shift in transportation engineering, replacing internal combustion processes with electrically driven systems. Unlike conventional vehicles, EVs convert electrical energy into mechanical motion through a highly efficient electromechanical chain. The three primary subsystems governing EV operation are the battery system, the electric motor, and the charging infrastructure. Understanding these components requires examining their physical principles, energy conversion pathways, and system integration. At the core of EVI operation is energy conversion. Electrical energy stored in a battery is transformed into mechanical energy by an electric motor. The process follows electrical energy to electromagnetic interaction to mechanical rotation. The absence of combustion eliminates thermodynamic losses associated with heat engines. As a result, EVs achieve efficiencies in the range of 85 to 95%, compared to 25 to 35% for internal combustion engines. The battery is the primary energy reservoir in an EV, typically based on lithium-ion chemistry due to its high energy density and long cycle life. The structure is hierarchical. Cell, the basic electrochemical unit; module, a group of cells; and pack, an assembly of modules with thermal systems. The governing electrochemical reaction involves lithium-ion intercalation between the anode and cathode. Technical parameters include energy density of 150 to 250 watts per kilogram. The battery management system ensures operational safety by preventing overcharging, deep discharge, and thermal runaway. The electric motor converts electrical power into mechanical torque. Most EVs use either permanent magnet synchronous motors or induction motors. The fundamental operating principle is based on Lorentz force. In practical motor terms, rotating magnetic fields are generated in the stator, inducing torque in the rotor. Key characteristics include maximum torque available at zero speed, smooth acceleration without gear shifting, and regenerative braking capability. Regenerative braking allows the motor to act as a generator, converting kinetic energy back into electrical energy stored in the battery. Between the battery and motor lies the inverter or controller, which regulates power flow. Since batteries supply DC power, the inverter performs DC to AC conversion. Advanced controllers use pulse width modulation to precisely regulate voltage and frequency, managing motor speed and torque efficiently. Charging systems replenish the battery from the grid. Level 1 takes 8 to 20 hours, while DC fast charging can reach 80% in minutes. The complete energy pathway is grid to charger, to battery, to inverter, to motor, and finally, to the wheels. This bidirectional flow enhances efficiency. Temperature regulation is critical. The optimal battery range is 20 to 40 degrees Celsius. Deviation leads to reduced efficiency and lifespan. Engineering challenges include battery degradation, infrastructure limits, and thermal risks. However, EVs offer zero tailpipe emissions and high energy efficiency. Electric vehicles operate through a tightly integrated system. As technology improves, EVs are expected to dominate future transportation systems.